The recent airplane collisions in Japan have cast a shadow over the aviation industry, raising questions about the financial implications for airlines, manufacturers, and the broader economy. This investigation delves into the aftermath of these incidents, exploring the nuanced effects on various facets of the aviation sector and their potential repercussions on the wider economic landscape. An immediate impact on airlines. The immediate aftermath of the airplane collisions has left airlines grappling with unprecedented challenges. Flight cancellations, increased scrutiny on safety measures, and potential reputational damage have contributed to financial strain. This section examines the financial implications for individual airlines, considering factors such as revenue losses, increased operational costs, and the potential need for compensation payouts to affected passengers. 2. Strain on aircraft manufacturers. The financial fallout extends to aircraft manufacturers who now face increased scrutiny and potential legal ramifications. This section investigates the impact on manufacturers' stock values, potential decline in orders, and the costs associated with investigations and implementing enhanced safety measures. Additionally, it explores how manufacturers navigate the delicate balance between addressing safety concerns and maintaining investor and consumer confidence. 3. Broader economic ramifications. The aviation industry is a linchpin in the global economy, and disruptions within it can send ripples across various sectors. This section explores the broader economic implications of the airplane collisions, including potential declines in tourism, impacts on related industries such as hospitality and transportation, and the overall effect on global supply chains. By examining the interconnected nature of economies, this investigation sheds light on how the financial fallout in the aviation sector may reverberate through the broader economic landscape. IV. Government responses and industry resilience. In times of crisis, governments play a crucial role in stabilizing industries. This section analyzes the responses of governments in the aftermath of the airplane collisions, including regulatory changes, financial assistance, and diplomatic efforts to restore confidence. Moreover, it delves into the strategies employed by the aviation industry to bounce back, emphasizing innovations in safety protocols, communication strategies, and rebuilding passenger trust. V. Long-term implications and adaptations. As the aviation industry navigates the financial fallout, this section examines the potential long-term implications and adaptations. It considers how safety standards may evolve, the impact on international collaborations in aviation, and the industry's resilience in the face of unforeseen challenges. By assessing how the aviation sector adapts to the changing landscape, this investigation aims to provide insights into the enduring financial implications and potential transformations in the industry. Conclusion. The recent airplane collisions in Japan have unleashed a complex set of financial challenges for the aviation industry, with far-reaching effects on airlines, manufacturers, and the broader economy. This investigation aims to illuminate the multifaceted nature of the financial fallout, offering a comprehensive understanding of the short-term and long-term implications. By unraveling the intricacies of this crisis, stakeholders can better navigate the turbulent skies ahead, fostering resilience, innovation, and a renewed commitment to safety in the aviation sector.